Hello, Miss Steele here. So we are moving on to our next project. We're talking about harmony this week because we went through a lot of the elements of art and principles of design, and that talks about using them all together. So for this project, you're going to want a pencil and an eraser, a piece of paper. You're definitely, here, let's see if I can move you a little bit closer. You're definitely going to want something to color in with, so whether that's crowns, markers, or colored pencils. And then as well, you're going to want a black marker. So for this, we are making a bucket, a summer bucket list, and we're going to draw our own bucket and work on it. Start our bucket list. We are going to draw a bucket, and then inside we're going to put all of the stuff we hopefully want to get done this summer or want to do. So we're going to start by drawing our bucket, and to start that, you're going to draw a big flat oval at the top of your paper. Not at the very, very top because we want to leave some room for a handle, but towards the top of your paper, we're going to draw a big flat oval. Next, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down from that oval on both sides, and then we're going to draw another curved line. So I'm going to follow the shape of the oval, so it's a little curved. All right, now that we have that, we're going to draw our sides. So for this, we want to draw two straight lines, but instead of going straight down, we're going to make them come in just a little bit. So like that. So instead of it being a straight line, which would go right here, I brought it in just a little bit because buckets come in. And then I'm going to draw my other straight line. And then at the bottom, I'm going to connect them with a curved line again, like that. Now we're going to add the top of our bucket. So I'm going to draw two half circles on the side right here. And now we're going to draw two curved lines next to each other. So there's my first one for my handle. And then here is my second one for my handle. Just like that. So now we're going to use the black marker that we have. And we're going to go over our pencil lines with the black marker, so they stand out a little more. So whenever we color everything in, we can still see the lines for our bucket. So we're tracing our pencil lines and trying to go over it the best we can, staying on the lines like that. So I'm going to finish tracing this, and then we will move on to our next step. You see, once you go over your lines, you might have some pencil lines hanging out, and we're going to use our eraser to erase all those pencil lines because it's going to make our artwork look nicer. It's going to make it look more finished. So we want to erase all those lines, and then we're going to start decorating. So I'm going to get these lines erased, and then we can start working on the inside of our bucket. If you see, I like to hold my paper down as I erase just to make for sure it doesn't bend or crinkle. All right, so now our next decoration we're going to add is we're going to write what the year is right here, and it is 2021. You can write this in bubble letters or block letters or whatever kind of letters you want. I think I'm going to do mine in bubble letters. So I'm going to draw my 2. Like that. Then I'm going to have my O next to it because it's 2021. And I'm bringing down this one. So right here in this open spot, we want to put what year it is so we know. So we can look back and be like, oh my gosh, that was my 2021 summer goals. So now we have the year. And then right here, we're going to write summer bucket list so people know what it is. So, S-U-M-M-E-R summer. Now for bucket, B, U, C. K, E, T. Woo. And then for list, L-I-S-T. So it's our 2021 summer bucket list. And now we're going to decorate the inside of this bucket with whatever goals you have for the summer, whatever you really want to do this summer. A bucket list is things you want to get done. So for my summer bucket list, I think right here, I'm going to draw a pencil and maybe some paints, because this one I'm going to write, one of my goals is getting ready for next school year. That's what I like to do over the summer. So you can write pictures or words. So I'm writing getting ready for next year. And then you can start thinking about all the different stuff you want to do. You can draw pictures or words. Maybe you want to go swimming, or maybe you're going on a trip. Maybe you want to spend time with your friends. Maybe you want to spend time just relaxing. You're going to draw your stuff in pencil first, and then color it in using whatever you have. I have one that I've actually already worked on and finished that we can look on now that our bucket's done. And this is the one I made for my 2021 Miss Steele Summer Bucket List. So if you can see on the inside, I put get ready for next year, and I did some paint splatters, a computer, a pencil, and some paper. Over here in the corner, I put visit California, because I'm going to California this summer. I have drive-in movies, working in my garden, relaxing, reading. So it's whatever your summer bucket list is. Maybe your summer bucket list is spending time with your friends, your family, going places, going swimming, going to the movies like I have. That is up to you. I cannot wait to see how yours come out. You can kind of color it and decorate it how you want for this project. And I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful rest of your morning, your evening, or afternoon. And I can't wait to see your summer bucket list.